Machiegni kendo romo mar gavanas mabende dhi nyime boma ma Naivasha odonjo odiechienge mar ariyo ka tenduruok mar gavanas olero moko kuom okenge magisegoyo e bero counties gi. Piny owacho mamalo nosingo mar chiwo omenda maromo bilion 2.7 mano mar konyo jotich mag ute thieth 100,000 kod joma chiwore ne chiwo thieth. Kanoloso gi jofwambo romo mar gavanas modonjo e odiechiengeno, jatenduruok mar gavanas Waiguru owacho ni gisegoyo okang' maduong' e chenro ni. Waiguru owacho ni counties duto biro tiyo gi omenda no e tiego jochiw thieth e counties gi.
Every Kenyan shall be treated equally by both levels of government, regardless of their political affiliation. Government services, initiatives, and programs shall be accessible to all Kenyans wherever they are. 2, that the national government commits to ensure timely disbursement of counties' share of allocated revenues. This will be in line with the approved disbursement schedule. 3, that the Intergovernmental Relations Technical Committee shall fast-track the process of identification, analysis, and transfer of all pending devolved functions to the county governments in the shortest time possible. That counties shall be allocated an additional 100 million shillings each as conditional grants in the 2023-2024 financial year to operationalize the national government's program on aggregated industrial parks in counties. The total allocation shall be 4.7 billion.